Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this nice seamless texture and paint it in Unreal Engine. So you can see it has the lighting and everything and it looks really nice. So you can create a 2D 3D hybrid which is inspired from Cobra Code. I'm learning a bunch from him. You should definitely check out a lot of his videos. I will leave a link in the description. So we're going to start in Sprite. So I'm going to use the texture we made in the last video. So we want to go to File, Export, Export Sprite Sheet. Make sure Output File, choose File. And I have mine organized on my desktop in a pixel art folder. I would suggest you always organize your files. So mine's going to be just pixel texture 2. Save, export. So now we're going to want to get a normal map. What a normal map is, it basically uses RGB to tell the computer the surface detail of your texture. So first, if you don't have it, we need to get the plugin for Sprite, which is the normal toolkit plugin. Link will be in the description. So we want to download now, no thanks, download now, and double click to open it. So give you a warning, do you really want to install it? Press install. After it's installed, you can click on your layer, go to Edit, Effects, Normal Tools, Generate Normal Map. We can leave everything as a default. Press Generate. So now we have a normal map. Make sure the other layer is hidden. File, Export, Sprite Sheet. Make sure it's going to the same place, and then we want to name it normal map at the end of the same name. Export. So now we have the normal map and just a regular texture. What we need in Unreal Engine is another plugin. We need Paper ZD. So go to Edit, Plugins, and search Paper ZD. Oh gosh. Sorry, Paper ZD. And you should have both Paper 2D and Paper ZD. If this isn't showing up, you would need to install it. Go to Fab and search Paper ZD. And in the drop-down menu, you should find Paper ZD plugin. So you want to do View in Launcher and install plugin. Once it's installed, you need to go to your library. Make sure you have your projects here. And then Paper ZD install to engine. Then you would go to back to Unreal Engine, go back to plugins. Oh goodness, I can't spell. And it should show up here, and then you have to check it and restart your engine. If it doesn't show here after installing, just restart your engine and check it. Now that we have Paper ZD, I'm going to import my textures. So I have mine in an organized folder. So I'm going to pick both of these up, drag them in. And you see now they're blurry. So just clicking the texture, right click the texture, go to Sprite Actions, apply Paper 2D texture settings. Now for the normal map, you want to double click, then go to your details panel, search for filter, and click nearest. save. Now they look good. So next, what we want to create is a landscape material. So I'm going to delete this. First, go to landscape mode and create a landscape. So now we have a landscape we're able to paint on, but it needs a material. So go to material, landscape matte pixel. I'm just gonna name it that, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna open this up. So now we want to drag our textures in. So texture here, our grass texture normal map, make sure it's connected. Then we want to create a landscape layer blend. And we want to make 2 of those. So just copy and paste. One will be for the texture, one will be for the normal map. So then here we want to add an array element. We want to name this grass 1. Go here and name it the exact same name, grass 1. You can also copy and paste the name. Leave the blend type at weight blend for now. That can be adjusted later. So we want to connect the RGB from the texture from grass 1 to the landscape layer blend, then connect the landscape layer blend to the base color. Do the same thing for the normal map, except we want to connect the layer blend to the normal. Save. So in the normal map, we want to add a flatten normal. So if I can spell flatten normal, just connect it here, and we want to add a parameter. So just hit 1 and right click. And put this at 0.2. So in selection mode, you want to click the landscape layer. In the details panel, go to landscape material, and we want to search the material we just made. So landscape matte pixel. And it's going to look black. That's okay. Hit save. Go back to landscape mode. In the landscape tool, go to paint, create layer, and on layer 0 you want to name it exactly what the material or the layer blend is named. So grass 1 is what we named it, and it'll show up here, grass 1. And it needs a layer info, create layer info, weight blended layer, save. I already made one. And now you can paint on the landscape and it will look nice and clean, seamless. This is useful for if you want to add more than one layer. So I want to show you guys how we can blend 2 textures together. So using another texture, simply drag it in. Same thing. Now we need another array element. We'll name this one dirt 1, and we'll plug it in here. And the same thing, we need another normal layer, dirt 1, and we will plug it in here. we'll get another flatten normal. Plug it in here. Apply, save, go back to the landscape layer. We'll create layers from assigned materials. And there it is. There's the dirt. It already made it for us. Save. And now we can blend the dirt in with the grass. Now it's a little bit shiny, but you can change this using the roughness. So if I want the roughness to be 5, it should not be shiny. So it doesn't reflect as much light. And that's it for the tutorial, guys. Thanks so much for watching.